I'm Stephen Carter. I'm the Managing Director of Craftsman's Projects Limited. I'm also a Director of Pearson Quality Homes, building the property behind me that you can see. This is Beach House, Tunley Lane, Wrightington. It's a 4/5 bed executive designed property. 3 ensuite bathrooms, main bathroom, open plan living, dining, kitchen area. We see it as being an ideal location out in the countryside to bring up a young family. Craftsman's as a company have, and it's something that I'm very proud of, won 3 national awards for Federation of Master Builders, Master Builder of the Year in 2010, 2012 and 2015. Pearson Quality Homes was formed to formalise a working relationship and to pull all our skills together to move forward and build quality homes. We've worked with Arnold and Phillips on a number of occasions now. The last property that we worked together on was a conversion of the old rectory in Rufford. We chose Arnold and Phillips to market it on our behalf, and they managed to sell it at full asking price within 7 days of it being put on the market. Beach House was designed specifically to be compatible and sympathetic to existing properties in Tunley Lane here in Wrightington. Tunley Lane is perceived as being one of the premier country lanes in Wrightington. It's a lovely rural location. This particular property, it's set in 3/4 of an acre, which in this day and age is unbelievable that you can still buy properties like this in such a rural location. If you've got a young family, the children can run around safely. It'll have privacy without it looking like it's on an estate somewhere. You know, it's going to look like it's still in the countryside.